Hi everyone, this is Tiffany, and today we're going to talk about proper hand washing for the preschooler ages 3 to 6. So just some facts about proper hand washing. According to the CDC, proper hand washing can protect about 1 out of 3 children who get sick with diarrhea, and it will protect 1 out of 5 young children with respiratory infections. So worldwide, about 1.7 million children die annually from diseases related to diarrhea and respiratory infections, and many of these deaths can be prevented with proper hand washing. So we will want to teach our preschoolers that hand washing helps prevent them from catching germs and spreading germs to others. So parents, caregivers, educators, and health professionals should teach preschoolers to clean their hands whenever their hands are visibly dirty, after using the restroom, before eating, after sneezing or coughing, and after touching animals. So what we're going to do is go ahead and go through a quick demonstration about proper hand washing. And this demonstration can apply to all ages, but in this video, we're going to aim it strictly at preschoolers. All right, so the parents will want their preschoolers to go ahead and turn on the water faucet, and you will want that water to be medium warm. You will have your preschooler wet their hands completely and then apply soap. So we have soap there in the hands. It's pink. Some preschoolers may like that color. You will want them to wash their hands vigorously for 20 seconds. Now, preschoolers may not know how long 20 seconds is, but the parents or caregivers can instruct them to sing happy birthday twice, and that will equate to 20 seconds. So we want to teach them to make sure they clean that dominant and non-dominant hand as vigorously as possible. So for me, that left hand really needs to clean this right hand, because the right hand is my dominant hand. I'm not singing happy birthday, but I am counting 20 seconds in my head. And they will want to go up to their wrists to make sure they're getting all those germs off. All right, then they would rinse off the soap. And I'm sure they're probably going to play in the water a little bit, splash water about. So once the soap is all rinsed off of their hands, they should grab a clean, dry paper towel to dry off their hands. And then, if available, they should grab another paper towel to turn off the faucet. And then they should discard that paper towel into the wastebasket. And there you have it, proper hand washing for a preschooler. So now we're going to do a fun science experiment for preschoolers to learn how washing their hands will get rid of germs. So first we're going to start with some Dawn soap. You're going to have food coloring. I have red, blue, green, and orange. And this will help encourage the preschoolers to identify their colors. And then we're going to have a glass of milk. So what we're going to do first is just have the preschooler, and if you have more than one preschooler, you can have them take turns doing this. But pouring the milk inside of a bowl, and I'm doing this outside just in case I make a mess, and this is probably a great idea for preschoolers. If it's a nice day outside, just take them out and have them make a mess out there. So we have the milk in the bowl. Then we're going to have each preschooler or each young child take a color of their choice and tell the caregiver the color that they selected, and what they're going to do is just add 4 to 5 drops of that color in the center of the bowl. So they should identify this color as green. They're going to just open it up and open it up will help them with their muscle movement and range of motion. So we're going to just add 4 to 5 dots, or drops I should say, and then we're going to proceed with the next one. And they can identify the cap is actually yellow, but the color in the bottle is orange. So the preschooler that selects this color should be able to identify both of the colors. I'm just adding about 5 dots there. And then we're going to go ahead with red. And this may or may not be a good idea to do it outside because today is somewhat windy and it's moving all around. The drops are. So the last color is blue. All right. So what we're going to tell the preschooler is that the drops that they added represents the germs that can get on our hands. And what will happen once they add soap onto their finger and stick their finger into the germs will dissipate, and that's because of the soap on their hands. So you're going to just have them add Dawn soap onto their fingers, and what they can do is just stick their finger right into the color. And this shows how the color it runs away from the soap. And as I said, the germs would be the soap. I'm sorry, the germs would be the color. And the soap on their finger protects them from the germs. All right, you can have them do this experiment as many times as they want, and even set this bowl aside to have the color continue to move around and create a work of art. All right, thank you. I hope you learned something today, and I hope it's something that you can go back and teach your preschoolers. Have a great day.